Long live Jose.
Alright, writing equations with parallel and perpendicular lines, day 2. Here we go. Alright, no phones. Alright, here we go. So, what are we doing? Keep in mind the following points. Parallel lines have the same slope. You don't have to. It'll be alright. Perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes.
What is that?
That's where, remember, negative reciprocal is when we flip and change the sign. So you flip it and change the sign. That's how you get a negative reciprocal.
Oh, really?
Alright, write an equation. So here we go. Parallel examples. Write an equation of a line that passes through the point negative 2, 7, and that is parallel to this equation. Alright, so parallel lines have the same slope. So what is the slope for this equation?
Y.
No, come on now. Yeah, it's negative 4. Remember, it's that number that's in front of x. So m equals negative 4. That's my slope. And they want me to use this point. Negative 2, 7. So that's my x1 and my y1. And then I use that nice little formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And then I just fill all this in. So y minus 7 equals negative 4 times x minus a negative 2, so plus 2.
Oh, really?
Distribute negative 4 times x and negative 4 times 2. Negative 4x minus 8. And then add 7 to both sides. So I get y equals negative 4x minus 1. Okay? That is the answer. Oh, we got to do perpendicular. Yeah. Alright. So now, perpendicular. Let's do number 4, because it's not in y equals. So there's an extra step in there. Alright, so I don't know my slope just yet of this line, so I have to rearrange it. Get it into y equals. So I need y equals mx plus b. So, subtract 5x, and you get 3y equals negative 5x minus 21. And then divide by 3. So y equals negative 5/3 x minus 7. What's my slope? Yeah, but I need a perpendicular slope to that. So flip it and change the sign. So 3/5 has to be positive. And then they want me to use this point. Negative 5, 1. So x1, y1. Y'all, I don't appreciate the talking, and I've seen 2 people use their phones already. So y minus 1 equals 3/5 x minus a negative makes plus 5. Distribute that fraction. So y minus 1 equals 3/5 x plus 3. Then add 1. So y equals 3/5 x plus 4.
So that's all we're doing.
Yep. Hold on, let me see what's on the back and see if there's any tricks. Alright, it says write an equation parallel. Okay. Does anybody need me to do another one?
No.
Seriously? Okay, don't worry about what the boys are saying. If you need me to do an extra one, girls, y'all good? No. Yeah. All right, we're going to do one more. Be quiet.
Well, I'm trans, so.
Is there a specific one, Gabby? No? Okay. All right, we're going to do one more. Let's do, hush. Let's do number 11. It says that it wants a perpendicular line. Okay? So we're going to do perpendicular again. We need y equals, so minus 2x from both sides. So 10y equals minus 2x plus 20, and then divide by 10. Y equals, good, negative 1/5. So 2 divided by 10 is 1 over 5. Plus 2. So what is my slope? My original is negative 1/5, but I have to flip it and change the sign. So it's going to be positive 5.
So what are the points for the 2?
Because you have to use this point to make the line. All right. So y, you going to pay attention now? So x1, y1, y minus 3 equals 5 times x minus 2.
It looks like you're lagging.
Is that a formula we used like yesterday?
No, 2 days ago. Well, we've been using it pretty much every day. Yeah. So distribute y minus 3 equals 5x minus 10 and plus 3. Y equals 5x minus 7. So your point is there to plug in to make your new formula. All right.
Bye, Lane.
Bye, Lane. Say bye to Jose.